Hi, I'm Alex Pault with Open Systems Media and Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here with Al Bennett. He's the Managing Director at Sensational Systems. Well, hey, Al, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Sensational, huh? That's a
Absolutely.
very sensational name.
Yeah, we're not exactly subtle, yeah.
So where did it come from?
I think it's something we pulled out of the air. We used to be called Hot Glue Technologies, which was good because we made things, and it was the first product had a lot of hot glue in it. But then people started to think we sold glue guns, so we decided to be a little different.
So because you're a hardware vendor, you sell pretty much everything.
Yeah, pretty much. We represent a whole bunch of different manufacturers. So here at the conference, all these manufacturers are here. We've got Tectelic, and we've got MCF88, and Bosch and Elsys, all these people, and we're selling their hardware to anybody who wants it online.
So you have a digital storefront?
Yep, we have a store at connectedthings.store, and we are shipping stuff all around the world, which is fun. So we've been doing that for a couple of years. And for the first time this year, we are selling in person here at the conference as well. So we're running the conference shop. So that's exciting, because now we have to deal with customers in real life. So
must be an experience.
Yeah, right. It's kind of new. So,
So what are some of the trends, since you're selling the products themselves, what are some of the trends you're seeing out in the marketplace with LoRaWAN?
So it's been an interesting couple of years. So we started out quite small, so people would buy ones and twos of things, and they'd be trying stuff out, and they're testing it, and they're like systems integrators, developing software, and then they think, oh yeah, that works, so they come back and they buy 10 of them, and now they're coming back and they're buying 100 of them, and now, so the rollouts are starting to get bigger, and it's all taking off, so that's cool. We've been selling the Things Industries products as well, so we've been selling in the last year the Things Indoor Gateway and the Things Outdoor Gateway. Both of those are really low-cost solutions as well, so they've been really popular with people because, for a few €100, you've got an outdoor gateway, and it's waterproof and bomb-proof and great. So that's been really cool. So they're really trying to bring the price down. We've got a lot of other industrial solutions, a whole load of new stuff. So in the last year, we've doubled the number of products that we have available because more and more people are making more and more interesting devices. So
Al, what are some of the application spaces that you're seeing a lot of demand in? Are there any particular verticals that you see?
Yeah, there's a few interesting ones. So there's a lot of care and monitoring for elderly people and things like that, which is really interesting. So especially if you've got remote places, it's hard to get out and check that elderly people are okay in their homes. A lot of little sensors around just tells people that your people are still moving around, they're still as active as they were, and they're keeping the heating on and all that kind of thing. So that's a real target thing. Agriculture is another big one, so that's really, I think in the next couple of years, that's going to be a big thing. So we're getting new agriculture sensors that are monitoring soil moisture and things like that, so you can optimize watering and really bring some intelligence into growing, so that's becoming a big thing. And there's a whole bunch of weird industrial applications, and people keep coming along with a thing that I didn't know was a thing. So they'll say something, and you're like, I had no idea somebody did that, but brilliant, whatever. So yeah,
What's the most interesting application you've encountered?
I don't know. There's good stuff with beekeeping and things like that. That's kind of cool. Yeah, I don't know. People come up with all sorts of crazy things, and you just I'd never have guessed. So, but yeah, like people want to do things out in fields, and they want solar powered things, and they want all sorts. So,
having said all of that, then, do you see any potential application spaces in the future that could become large?
Yeah, it's kind of interesting when you look at like the wall of products and all the stuff that you see around here. There's all sorts of new stuff happening, and I think there's interesting stuff with machine learning stuff like that. And so that will be an interesting add-on to the hardware side of it. Really bring some more intelligence into these systems, and we just don't know where that's going to go. But if you look around here, you've got people monitoring waste and bins, you've got people monitoring all sorts of stuff. So yeah, I think what's interesting is that because it's LoRaWAN and everything is compatible, once you've installed gateways, then the sensors just keep adding them. That's the really nice thing about it, and there's so many more devices coming out. People have invested in their network, and now they're coming back and they're discovering, okay, we've got new things. We've got mouse traps now. So we've got LoRaWAN mouse traps from Signal, and when they snap shut, it sends you a message to say, I've caught a mouse. You're like, well, okay,
with or
brilliant.
without video?
Yeah, right. So, I don't want to think about how it works. I don't really... that's not my end of things. But yeah, it's really cool. When you think about how much it costs to send somebody out to go and check these things, it's like, right, okay, we can do it automatically now. So that's cool.
Well, especially with something like a trap, because once the trap's been tripped, you might as well replace the trap because it's useless.
Well, you've got to go out and look at it anyway. You want to go out and just check what's going on. So yeah, but you don't want to have to go out every 10 minutes and go and have a look. So yeah.
Very cool, Al.
Yeah.
Are there any last words you'd like to leave for our audience before I kick you off the sage?
I guess I could promote the shop again if you want to have a look at any of the stuff we have for sale. It's connectedthings.store. Lots of stuff. We ship all around the world. Go and have a look.
Thanks a lot, Al. I really appreciate you taking the time on, especially
worries.
at a busy conference like this.
Yeah, sure. No worries. Cheers.